The topic of this question is the area of circles and a little bit of fractions sprinkled in there. So let's just read the question. And because the question is a bit big, I am going to zoom out just a bit. So I apologize if the black bars on the side look a bit ugly. So the diagram shows a logo made from 3 circles. So that's 1 circle, 2 circles, and then the third outer circle. And then it says each circle has center 0, so that's the center of each one. And then it says Daisy says that exactly a third of the logo is shaded. So this ring right here, that's the shaded region. And then it says, is Daisy correct? And we must show our reasoning as to why she's correct or why she's incorrect. Well, a good way to start this question is by finding the areas of each individual circle. So I'm going to split it into small, medium, and large circles. So let's scroll down a little bit. So we have a heading of small, and then we have a heading for medium, and then finally we have a heading for large. So let's look at the small one for now. So the radius of the small circle is clearly 4. And we know, by the way, generally that the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. That's very important. So if the radius for the small circle is 4, that means the area for the small circle, so I'm going to say area, is equal to pi multiplied by 4 squared. Of course, we know 4 squared is 16, therefore this is 16 times pi, or 16 pi. Now let's focus on the medium circle. So the medium circle has a radius of 4 plus 3, so that altogether gives us a radius of 7. So the area is equal to pi times 7 squared, and of course 7 squared is 49, so 49 pi. And finally, we need to work out the area for the large circle, which is going to be, well, the radius is going to be 4 plus 3 plus 3, which is 10. Therefore, the area is going to be pi times 10 squared. 10 squared is the easiest one to remember, it's just 100. That's 100 pi right there. So we have the area for the small, medium, and large circle, but what's the use in those? Well, we're going to use them to work out the area of this ring or the shaded region. Now, the way to work that out is simply by taking the medium circle and subtracting the small circle away from it, and that will give you the required shaded region. So I'm just going to jot down that shaded region, or shaded, is equal to the medium minus the small, which is the same as saying 49 pi minus 16 pi, which is equal to 33 pi. Now let's look back at the question. The question is asking, is a third of the logo shaded? Well, let's look at it like this. The total area of the whole shape is the bigger circle, basically. So that's 100 pi. And we know the shaded region has an area of 33 pi. So as a fraction over the total area, we know 33 pi divided by 100 is the fraction of which the whole circle is shaded. Now, these pi's can cancel out, leaving us with 33 divided by 100. And that is the portion of the shape that is shaded. But the question says a third of it is shaded. And we know 33 divided by 100 can't simplify any further. Therefore, we say it's not equal to a third. So our conclusion is that Daisy is wrong. And yeah, that's the final thing we need to say. And we get full 4 marks.